It turned out that the whole marrying a virgin storyline was just made to chase Vuyokazi away. Hello and welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Here is Mpumelelo telling his father that he wants to make Utirelo his first wife because she understands his vision, I guess.
Yeah. Utheni uzolobola.
Yeah.
Manje sengibona lento seyithathe siyidiscard. So sengifuna ukwazi ukuthi ulobola nini?
Kahle vele inhloso ukuthi ngikhokhe lababa ngasingabakho. So ngizokhokha indawo ezimbili.
Okwenzeni?
Hayi ngala ngizolobola nje.
La
ngasingabakho.
iya
Singala ngizofela.
kuphi?
Ngapha.
Uma usho njalo ithi ngingakubuza okuningi. So this time kulolotolwa uma kasingabakho. Okay.
Lo muntu njengamanje ngiwangivuka naye umuntu lo mbono wami awusekelayo yena. Manje ngiyabona ukuthi namayelo ngenza iqiniso. Umuntu angene emagcekeni.
Thombe nasambe.
Yes sir.
Okay, sure.
Asinawo
I can't even fake it and say I'm happy for her. I am really, really worried about ladies who take Mpumelelo seriously. Like now the new 19-year-old girlfriend and soon to be wife number 2. She does look so innocent, soft-spoken, and opposite of Tirelo. Tirelo is loud. Tirelo is loud. And this new girlfriend is not the one that was introduced to us in the last season. Sibindi is very busy, very busy. I'm not a hater of Tirelo, but I love it when she's crying because why did she think she's immune to being hurt by Mpumelelo? Like, why did she think she's better than Vuyokazi? Actually, I want her to cry because of this clip.
My sister, you're gonna fight for a man. Have a standard, please. Never. You can't do that to yourself, especially for somebody who will never even fight for you. What are you doing?
Now let's move to Mpumelelo and his father. This boy, guys, doesn't respect his father. He is mean and he talks anyhow. But never mind that. Listen to this clip.
Ngoba masengasahambi ngendlela kuthiwa yimi futhi. Manje angeni lapho. Kuyoba ngconywana ukukhuluma nina nabazali bakhe. Bayikho into engizoyikhuluma naye.
So ingane mazindinga nina nobabili as ubaba nomama.
Angibuzi ngidinga waphela bayithatha ngithi. Indlela bayithatha ngayo futhi wakhombisa wona ukuthi ayisho azingidingi mina ingane. Manje ke angikwazi futhi ukulala leyo mpilo yimpe engengile.
Iyazi ingane into ehlupha kakhulu. Ungayondla ngemali. Kodwa iyafuna ukuthi ubaba abe sempilweni yakhe.
Okay baba ungitshela. Wena baba ukhule ukukhuluma nobaba?
Bebengekho.
Okay.
Bengahlala indawo.
Same thing. Uyabona nje lento ufuna uyiqala yimpe encane enganasidingo engeke uzoyinqoba. Ingakho ngisho ukuthi idedele nje ihlale lapha kanje ya.
Ukhona ubaba wayo uyaphila.
Baba ngiyekuzulwe impi yengane engaphansi kweminyaka o18. Ngiyekuzulwe. You had a situation nompilo.
Yeah.
You had a situation impilo ukhulile kodwa bona inkinga. Angithi?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, how much more na mina ke? Umuntu omngaka. Into enza ukuthi ngigcine ngifaka umpilo phakathi ingoba ngenza ukuthi asheshe aphume nami lento le ngoba nami ezami indaba ngiyazibona manje ukuthi na yena uyahlala uyaxhila. Ngimfuna umuntu ozozama ungishintsha umqondo especially ngento engihlukumezayo. Ngoba phela ihlukumezi yena angithi ihlukumeza mina. So angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngiloke ngizama nje nanokuthi ngishintshe umqondo. Futhi khona ke angisiyindoda ejikezweni elishilo.
No, it's fine. Kusho ukuthi ngizoyiyeka kanje le ndaba. Ngiyibone ke ngiyibukele ukuthi ke mayisuka la izofika aphi.
So Mpumelelo has made a decision to desert his 2 kids with Vuyokazi, blaming the mother obviously. And I feel like his father really tried to speak some sense into him. But can you see how disrespectful he is by even bringing up his father's shortcomings about Mpilo's situation? He is just everything that is wrong with this society. I mean, how can you sit back and wait for your kids to turn 18 before you can be in their lives? What about the trauma? What about the damage you are causing from now until they're 18? Why can't you swallow your pride for the sake of the kids? Because I'm pretty sure your guys is not stopping him from having a relationship with his kids, but according to him, he won't speak with someone else's wife. But that someone else's wife is the mother of your kids. I don't know. Guys, comment down below what you think. Please subscribe and like the video, guys. Unemployment has us on choke slam and we are here trying, Bandla. Please subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.